To speak in any language, we have to use both vowel and consonants. Most of us know that in Hindi, from A to are known as vowels, and from K to Gya are known as consonants. Can you please tell what is the difference between vowel and consonants? Just think. So first we learn about vowel. While sound production, we can produce some disturbance or blockage in airflow in many places like throat, lips, the palate, teeth, murdha, etc. By doing this, the sound of different characters are produced. If there is no obstruction in the air from throat to lips, then the produced sound is known as swara. Due to lip shape and tongue position, the normal shape of the sound path gets changed, and due to this, the original tone also gets changed. For example, when air comes out while speaking, if the lips are simply spread, A is pronounced. When the lips are extended in length, E is pronounced. And if we make it round, U is pronounced. If we produce very slight blockage in air during the pronunciation of vowel, then there is a change in original vowel. And this type of sound is neither vowel nor consonant. This type of sound is known as ardhaswar or half vowel. For example, when we are speaking E, when we lower the jaw while speaking, the produced sound will be pronounced as ya, and similarly U becomes va. So, can you search some more ardhaswar or half vowel? Please write in comment box. Now let us learn about consonant. Consonant are sound that occurs due to interruption at various places while speaking. The pronunciation of a consonant is incomplete without vowel. Their sound depends on the position of air blockage. The major places of obstructions are throat, palate, murdha, teeth, lips. For example, ka, kha, etc. sounds due to obstruction of airflow in the throat. We will talk about other consonants in next video. Let us know how the vowels and consonants are used together. As we learned that different vowels are formed due to the shape of lips and the position of the tongue. And due to interruptions while speaking, consonants are pronounced. The position of our lips and tongues create the joint sound of vowel and consonants, which is known as matra. For example, if the lips are simply spread while speaking ka, it sounds like ka. Similarly, if lips are spread in length, ki is pronounced and ku is formed when it is rounded. So today we learned that how to speak vowels and consonants and how they are sound together. So just try the same and write your experiences in the comment box. We will learn about different consonants in next video. So please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.